Hello guys, this is Jamie from Vulcan again. Today I won't be talking about Land of Hades and jaw traps and blood-sucking ghoul monster zombies or whatever the hell that was. Today's a bit more serious today. This is our MVP for stamps. So at the moment it's in white label format. I've just called it VChain Docs because obviously I need to commercialise it and get a better front end and UI for users and whatnot. But for the VChain community or anyone really, it's interesting to see how the back end works. So as you can see, they want a private key and a wallet address. Obviously that's a little impractical, but I'm going to connect it to Comet and Sync and the VChain Thor wallet. But you know, even if you don't have those things, you can create a wallet just for encryption purposes and input it manually, but it will be connected to the wallets we have. So I will call this. My name is Jamie, owner Jamie. Document name. I'll call it name. And the title is my title, and the version is 1. The description is test for the VChain community. So this will encrypt any digital document onto VChain with a SHA-256 algorithm. The idea is that you can use this for 100%, copyright, proof of authorship, that you had a document at a certain time. So if I press register here, it should give me 2 very important codes. Oh, did I choose a file? No, I didn't. Okay, so let me choose whatever, this logo I just downloaded. So I'm just encrypting some random logo for a test here. Hope they don't mind. Okay, so you've got your transaction hash. Obviously, you can run through the Explorer and the document hash. So this is the most essential thing you want to hold on to. We're going to set up a database for all this stuff for users to keep track of. But this is the encrypted document you just put onto VChain. Okay, so I'm going to store that down here for later purposes. Okay, so now let's imagine I do the whole thing again. So I'm trying to put on a document which is exactly the same as you've put on. So I've got my wallet and my private address and blah blah blah. Random name, random title, random version. Let's put an integer there. Random description. Now I'm choosing the same file, exactly the same file that I've just encrypted. Long day, guys. Okay, so now let's see what happens when I try to encrypt that onto the blockchain. It will tell me it's already registered. Now, at this stage of the product, that's where we're at in showing that it's already there. Someone's already put it on. In this case, me. Now, if someone wanted to check that, all you had to do is put the document hash into the document version table, and it will tell you that, yeah, here is the document, and it's owned by this wallet, which is obviously one person. Now, let's say I wanted to update the document. In doing so, I would put in a document hash. Now, if I put in random private key, random address, random anything, it obviously won't let me do that. Yeah, invalid everything there. So let's put in my private key again. Private key goes in here, and the wallet address, I think, yep, it's here. So many numbers and letters, isn't there, in blockchain? Okay, so now I want to change all information in my original document, and I press update. There we are, updated successfully. And not only is it updated successfully, but if I go to look at the document in the version table, it will actually show that it was updated by me, and it's all there. I can also put my address in there, and it'll tell me, oh, let's try that. If you put someone's wallet address in there, which in this case is mine, it will show all the documents encrypted by that person. And you can look at all the document hashes that's been used by Stan. Now, obviously, right now we need two things to progress. The first is connecting it to wallets. You don't have to make your own wallet. Comet, Sync, VChain, Thor, and obviously we want sort of people to store an image or the actual file that they've encrypted into their own database, their own user profile, so they know what's on there, and that can only be shown by putting in the private key. But this is essentially a lot of the work done. The file is encrypted, any digital file is encrypted, and only you with a private key can update it, and if someone else tries to encrypt it, it won't let you. So a lot of the hard work's done, and I guess we'll release it as soon as we've done a bit more front-end work. Thanks for listening.